Hello everyone, I represent to you my presentation about identifying hazard ergonomic injuries. This kind of hazard is often ignored but perhaps the one that causes long-term injuries if not addressed. It is quite difficult to detect since it does not manifest instantly unlike accident. The risks involved in this kind of hazard develop over time. For instance, while you are conveniently seated inside the office the whole day doing your work, it can cause ergonomic injuries to your hips and back due to poor posture. On the other hand, if your job requires you to repetitive movements to a specific region of your body like waist, back, or hips, this causes repeated trauma which could be negligible while doing the actual work and may gradually and increasingly worsen over time until it manifests in a discomforting or worse painful manner. Proper workstation ergonomics. The workstation you are using can represent a number of risks if not corrected. Correcting or controlling this kind of hazard generally involves the use of ergonomically adjustable office furnishing and equipment such as chair, table, computer monitor, keyboard, or simple copy holder for documents while you are typing. While this thing may seemingly show some sort of hype for novelties and convenience, they do minimize the risk of long-term injuries that may not be life-threatening but definitely discomforting. Remember, the safety is not only concerned about reducing the risk of accident in the workplace, but more so to protect the welfare of the workers. The workplace that may not have all the convenience but from the discomfort is still happy workplace. Injuries related to this kind of hazard are generally called work-related musculoskeletal disorder or WMSD. This is also commonly called by many names such as repetitive motion injuries. Repetitive motion injuries, also called repetitive stress injuries, are temporary or permanent injuries to muscles, nerves, ligaments, and tendons caused by performing the same motion. Injuries is carpal tunnel syndrome. Repetitive strain injuries. Repetitive strain injuries is a general term used to describe the pain felt in muscles and overuse. It's also known as a work-related upper limb disorder or non-specific upper limb pain. The condition mostly affects part of the upper body such as forearms and elbows, wrist and hand, neck and shoulders. Cumulative trauma disorder. Cumulative trauma disorder or CTD is a term for various injury of the musculoskeletal and nervous system that are caused by repetitive tasks, forceful exertion, vibration, mechanical compression, or sustained posture. Occupational cervical-brachial disorder. To clarify the association of occupational cervical-brachial disorder or OCD with labor condition and personal situation, a questionnaire study was conducted among nursery school teachers. The questionnaire was composed of subject symptoms related to OCD. Neck, shoulder, back and arm stiffness, pain, labor condition, and whether or not the teach not a child of her own under the age of 2. Overuse syndrome. Overuse syndrome is a type of injury common to finger, hands, wrists, and elbows if caused by repetitive movements of awkward posture. Overuse syndrome is also known as repetitive strain injuries or RSI. Symptoms including swelling, pain, and weakness in the affected joints. Regional musculoskeletal disorder. Regional musculoskeletal disorder are the major cause of morbidity both in community and in the workplace. They comprise a heterogeneous group of conditions that are, for the most part, poorly characterized. Consequently, diagnostic criteria have not existed for many of these disorders. and the epidemiological investigation have used varied or I-defined approach to case definition. Soft tissue disorder. Soft tissue disorders are medical conditions affecting soft tissue. Often, soft tissue injuries are some of the most chronically painful and difficult to treat because it is very difficult to see what is going on under the skin with the soft connective tissues, fascia, joints, muscle, and tendons. And that's all. Thank you for watching.